Hey everybody. So it's super dark outside and got a little bit of a light show going on with some thunder. So I'm hoping you can see it and hear it. So I'm going to turn it this way and let's just see what happens. I'm hoping damn porch light. I live on a dead-end street. We don't have street lamps here. So what you see is what you get. It's dark. This should be a big one. Not bad at all. There we go. Just let y'all know that I would probably shit a proverbial brick if the lightning, how lightning goes off and lights up the sky, the ground, if I saw a person. Oh, there's a big one. Not that I haven't seen ghosts. It's great, but not during a storm. Damn sensor light. Wow. There we go, it's better. As long as I stand like a soldier, my light won't come on. Goodness. Rawr. That was a good one. I'll be out here a few more minutes, guys. I'm trying to get it to, well, it's at 5 minutes. I was going for 5 minutes, so let's see if I get one more big boom. Alright, after this big boom, I'm going in the house. You don't want to get my phone wet. That was a long one. Let's see, one last one. Come on. There you go. Alright, y'all, I'm taking my butt back in the house, but hey, there's a little video for you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.